Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to speak about the convergence issue. You probably already know, just imagine you have this circuit. I have a transient analysis, I simulate, and suddenly I get this message. It means, okay, I have a convergence problem, or as I like to say, I have a convergence issue that I have to solve. It's not actually a problem, because what is the meaning of convergence actually in PSpice? So we have to understand that PSpice is a simulator, and it is using a numerical algorithm to solve nonlinear differential simultaneous equations. It means if an algorithm cannot find a solution, for example for the currents or the voltages, are not given within the given tolerances, we have a problem, or we have a case of non-convergence. For your understanding, as I said, the simulator in the background is using an algorithm. This algorithm calls Newton-Raphson, and these algorithms guarantees to converge to a solution under a set of requirements. For example, the nonlinear equations must have a solution, the equations must be continuous, the algorithm needs the equations derivate, and the initial approximation must be close enough to the solution. So what it means is that PSpice is a non-linear simulator. It means that taking into account the tolerance of the voltages and currents that we want to take into account, probably it could happen that the simulator doesn't find a solution in a particular circuit. How to solve this? I have already a video where I'm showing how to solve this. Just for your information, in the simulation profile, under option, you have first of all the auto converge, where you can select it so that the simulator tries to find a solution. It works over 90% of the cases, and the most used or changed parameters are these three ones are for the tolerance, and these three ones that are related to the iterations that the software is able to do, or is able to do for calculating a solution. That's why just consider that PSpice is a nonlinear simulator. You could have convergence issues if you are doing a transient analysis or a DC bias point analysis. It is not happening with in the frequency area, and the first option to solve this is just selecting auto converge. If it doesn't work, then the other scenarios you have to consider is try to isolate your circuit and analyze as small as possible each part of your circuit in order to find out in which area you have the convergence problem or the convergence case. When it is done, then you can try to solve the solution. You can try to solve this situation and find a solution. It is also important to note that if it could also be that you have some kind of components which was not defined properly, or even that you are using equations, so analog behavioral modelings, where you have to define some kind of expression where you have some kind like something divided 0 in just a particular moment. That's why you get some kind of convergence issue. That's why it is how you have to understand convergence. It is not science, it is a kind of art. So when you get some kind of convergence issue, first of all you have to think about it not like an error, but like an advice that something in your circuit is not working properly. That's why I hope you can take now this information about the convergence, and you can enjoy like I do when I have convergence issue, and finding the way to solve this problem. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.